everyone, guess what I have for you today? I have an amazing oil blend. This is an oil blend that is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. It also contains the electrolytes. It contains omega-3. It contains some amazing ingredients that can help to reduce wrinkles and give you that glow to the skin. This oil blend, guys, I made in my kitchen using a variety of oils. They are oils that are known to lighten, brighten, and protect the skin. So if you're out there and you're looking for an oil blend to use on the skin, this video is for you. The blend is so amazing that you can use it not only on your face, but you can use it in your hair and you can use it all over the body. An amazing tip that I have for you is make this oil blend, and when you're stepping out of the shower, just take a little bit of the oil and apply it all over your body. However, guys, for your face, you're going to wash your face like you normally do, spritz on some facial toner, and then get this oil blend and warm the oil in your hands like I'm doing here, and then apply it on the skin. Massage the oil on the skin. Every time you apply oils on your skin, guys, just massage it on the skin. This is also going to help to boost a circulation. This is also going to help to hydrate and moisturize the skin. This is also going to help to plump the skin up, boosting the collagen and elastin in the skin. So apply the oil on the skin like I'm showing here, and focus on areas like your laugh lines, your sagging jawline. Don't forget, this oil is also good to use directly under your eyes to help to hydrate and moisturize your under eyes. Apply it on your forehead. I love using oils, guys, so I am just indulging in this oil. And take a look at my skin, guys. Look at that, that youthful glow. Just look how this have my skin looking so glass-like, so radiant. And don't forget, guys, take this one down on the neck and décolleté. Massage your neck from front to back, and also the décolleté. So if you're interested in this oil blend, follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to get the best result from using this on your skin. Now, before I get in the kitchen, if you're new here and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button. It's as easy as that. You are subscribed. And one more thing, guys, please watch the video to the end. Now, to make our oil blend, we are going to start off with our first oil, and our first oil is going to be grape seed oil. And grape seed oil is a carrier oil. A carrier oil is an oil that you can add other oils to dilute. Now, when it comes on to grape seed oil, it is a very light oil. It will not clog the pores, and it is good for all skin type. Grape seed oil helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It also helps to boost collagen and elastin in the skin, and it also helps to keep your skin moisturized. So let's reach for our bowl. So whenever you're using a carrier oil, that's the oil that you're going to use the most of. So this is going to be about 50% of the oils that we're going to be using. So I'm going to start with a tablespoon of the grapeseed oil. Now, if you want to make more of this remedy, go ahead and double up on the ingredient. So here we have our grapeseed oil, which is our base oil, and it's our carrier oil. Notice that our base oil is a very light oil that will not clog the pores, and this is what's going to make this facial oil blend great for all skin type. Let's move on to my next oil. Here I have some aloe vera oil. Now, most of you know aloe vera is good for clearing hyperpigmentation on the skin. Aloe vera also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It's help with sunburn. It's just a great oil to use on the skin. So what I'm going to do with the aloe vera oil, I'm using only a teaspoon of the aloe vera oil. Remember, our carrier oil is the oil that we're using the most of. So we're pouring 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera vera oil. Now the aloe vera oil is a little heavier than the grapeseed oil, so when we add it, we're just gonna dilute it. Aloe vera oil also acts as a skin lightening agent and moisturize, effective in managing acne. It has anti-aging properties and it helps to hydrate the skin. So that is why we're using this aloe vera oil. For this recipe, we do not recommend you using fresh aloe vera. Now let's move on to our next oil, and my next oil is an oil that has really grown on me. It is the pomegranate seed oil. This oil is an amazing oil rich in vitamin C and antioxidant. You know, whenever you have anything that is highly colored like purple or red, it contains a stronger amount of antioxidant for the skin. I like to use this. It's not as heavy as the aloe vera oil. It is more light like the grapeseed oil, and it is good for all skin type. Now if you have wrinkles, dull, rough looking skin, this is the oil for you. This fast absorbing oil helps to increase collagen production and prevent sign of aging. Good for skin lightening, fading dark spot and dark circles, and good for skin and hair. So you can use this pomegranate seed oil both in your hair and all over your body. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of the pomegranate seed oil. Let me give you a tip on this. Now the colder months are coming up. Take the pomegranate seed oil, add it to your body lotion, and apply it all over the skin. If you have very, very dry skin, take a little bit of this, a few drops, just as you get out of the shower while your skin is still wet, and apply it all over your body. Really, really helps. So that is the pomegranate seed oil. So here in our bowl, we have the base oil, which is the grapeseed oil. We have some pomegranate seed oil, and we also have some aloe vera oil. Now that is three really, really great oil for the skin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of an essential oil to this. Now essential oil is very, very tricky, and a lot of people do not recommend using essential oil unless you understand exactly how to use it on the skin. So this is our star anise oil. Now the star anise oil helps to boost collagen and elastin. It also helps to prevent wrinkles and also get rid of wrinkles and fine lines and reduce the appearance of dark spots on the skin. Another thing that I like about this oil is that it helps to tighten and firm the skin. It is an essential oil. We need a carrier oil to dilute the star anise oil, which is the grapeseed oil, and now we have the aloe vera and the pomegranate seed oil in it. So take a look at this, guys. We're only using 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of the star anise oil. This is a very, very strong oil. You do not need to use a lot. And now we are gonna blend. Now this star anise oil smells amazing, so it's giving this an amazing fragrance. So now you know how to use these oils, and not only that, now you know how to mix them together to make a very strong, a very powerful anti-aging oil blend. Now I'm gonna stop here. However, guys, if you have acne prone skin, go ahead and add a 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil in the mix. I'm not gonna add it to my mixture because I do not have acne, but you can add some tea tree oil in it. Another oil that you can add to this is a drop or 2 of castor oil. This is the Jamaican black castor oil, and castor oil is great for anti-aging, hydrating, moisturizing, softening, and smoothing the skin. So I have it, so I'm just going to use a drop of it, not a lot, just a drop. If you do not have it, that is okay. So I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the Jamaican black castor oil. You can go ahead and use any castor oil that you have. Also, if you have the bakuchiol oil, go ahead and add 2 to 3 drops to this oil blend. And I'm telling you guys, this is just amazing. This is an amazing facial oil blend. Now let me pour this in my small bottle. Now remember, if you want to make more of this oil, go ahead and double up on the ingredient. This oil is good for your face, it's good for your body, and guess what? This is also good for your hair. So this is an oil that you can use from head to toe. Add some to your body lotion. Take a little and massage it on your scalp. Use it right after you use your facial serum and massage it on the skin. Help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, boosts collagen and elastin. Help to get rid of dry, flaky skin. Help to get rid of itchy scalp. Help to get rid of bald spot. This is just an amazing oil. So let's just pour this in. And this is it, guys. This is your anti-aging facial oil blend. And there you have it. A simple but effective blend of oil for your face, your neck, your décolleté, your entire body, and even your hair. Don't forget, this oil is good to use under your eyes, and it is also good to use on your hands, your knees, and your elbow. Go ahead and whip it up and let me know what oils are you going to be using to make this oil blend. Remember, the carrier oil is the one that you're going to use the most of, and the other oils are the ones that you're going to dilute in the carrier oil. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, guess what, guys? Do not leave without subscribing. So hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification on your phone, and you'll get a notification, and you will get a notification as soon as we upload a video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, you might want to watch another one of our videos. So I'm going to leave a 2 right here for you. Go ahead and watch those 2. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.